How to track your Cash App card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to track your Cash App card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, on the top right of your screen, you will see the profile icon. Tap on that and further scroll down, and under the Accounts and Settings tab, you will see the Support option. Tap on that. Now, look for the Cash App card option and tap on that, and then scroll down again and you will see the option for chat. Tap on that, and in the text box here, go ahead and enter your query and wait for the chat bot to send a reply to you regarding the same to help you fix your query. So, this is how you can track your Cash App card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.